Alright guys, what's up? We're back on the Quarantine Cook. We're here with Shauna. Shauna is going to be making some of her homemade salsa here for us. So Shauna, why don't you just go ahead and tell us what you got there.
I have cilantro, 6 Roma potatoes, petite diced tomatoes, red onion, jalapeno pepper, green onion. I have the cumin, sugar, and the chili powder in here, garlic, some lemon juice. Yeah. Alright,
perfect. Well, we got everything all ready ahead of time, so she wanted to get this recipe done so she'd show you guys what she's doing here. So we finished the ham earlier today. We got some homemade salsa for you guys. We'll get all the recipes up on here. Why don't you tell me how you chopped all that stuff up, Shauna?
By hand.
Well, what about that thing that you have right next to you?
Well, that's for after we put this in here, all the ingredients, and stir that all together. We're basically going to chop it up more so it gets even more of that salsa mixture.
So she did all the hard work. Now she's going to use the Pampered Chef chopper. If that's what I'm understanding.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So she could have saved herself a lot of work, but she wanted to practice her knife skills by using the chopper.
Because we don't have a food processor.
Well, we do have a.
I do. It's right up there.
We do have a food processor.
I got a very nice one. Thank you very much.
She wanted to do this.
I'm doing it this way.
She could have saved herself a lot of time.
Because then it goes more chunky.
Uh-huh.
And I like more
whatever you guys tell yourself.
Uh-huh. So anyways, she could have saved herself a lot of time if she'd used the chopper from the beginning.
No. That's not how I got taught how to make it.
Well, that's because they didn't have the Pampered Chef.
Yeah, so I'm doing it this way.
Well, we're pampered here at this house. On the Quarantine Cook, only the finest materials.
Thank you, Granny Katie.
Yeah. Thanks, Granny Kate. We got loaded with the Pampered Chef. Yeah, look, so not only did she have the Pampered Chef chopper, but she also had the Pampered Chef measuring nesting bowls. I mean, you're gonna have to work on shooting your promo videos. How's the salsa taste?
Good.
Alright, well I wish you could taste it through YouTube. We haven't invented that feature on the channel yet, but we will let you know as soon as we got it going. We're gonna check the salsa out. You guys have a great night.